Vettel, I'm gonna be celebrating by making turtle soup. Nom, 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 nom.
You're gonna celebrate by making turtle soup? Do you not understand how absolutely deranged you just sounded?
You have a shotgun sound effect now?
Maybe I have a whole load of different guns, Koko. Maybe next time I'll have an SMG. Or a sniper. Or a rocket launcher. You'll find out, you'll all find out.
Do you have any other new sound effects? Can I hear them?
Did you like that one, Koko? I'm sorry, my finger slipped. I will try find the one you wanted. Snow will be my landmark. It will be something cool to come back to in the future, too. You could say it will be a little ice.
What?
I like to hibernate now. Rest my eyes till the sun rises. Provide my seeds with the loving light they so dearly need.
Do you have any other new sound effects? Okay. I don't care about your seeds. I want to hear your sound effects.
How about that one?
Oh, good. Yes, Pipes is back. Let's go.
Pipes is an iconic sound effect. I don't think I'd ever remove it. Oh, I don't have a bed, but there's not really much I can do about that.
Can I get 10 pipes in a row?
How about 2? Feel lucky to even get one.
I said 10, not 2.
Please allow me to lay down the pipes on you, Koko. You might need it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't say that. Bad
Can't say
evil.
What? Oh yeah? You have a stupid voice.